Hello from RADE Garage. You know us as guys who are still inventing, developing and bringing new ideas to our RG parts. Besides that, from time to time, we also revised the existing products. Also, your valuable feedback is taken into consideration and the best ideas are implemented, so our products are gradually improved. One of them is your favorite Skidplate for Husqvarna 701 and KTM 690. The main features remain. 3 mm aluminium skid plate covers the front part of the engine and the bottom part of the engine, also the water pump, brake lever and shift lever on the other side. The excellent handcrafted welding, which provides very high stiffness to the skid plate. Besides that, you will get also additional plate for the rear brake cylinder, which is actually a part that can get damaged very easily because it's not protected anyhow. And the skid plate remains super light. Its weight is only 2.5 kilos. The way of opening has been improved as well. Instead of 4 split pins, there are 2 bolts now, which can be removed without any tools. The bolt is grooved for better grip and easier manipulation. Even with frozen fingers and in wet gloves, nothing pleasant, you know, all of us have such kind of experience, very easy to release the bolt. One more groove is in the middle of the bolt, so it can be opened also with the coin or with the key. It's always useful to have some more space for stuff which you don't need actually every day. So, you know, better safe than sorry. So let's have a look inside what we can carry in this toolbox. And voila, so we have one spare air filter, then we have a tire tube, fuses, tire lever, another one, stuff for tires, spark plug and a chain loop. Yeah, actually it's purely up to you what you wanna bring with you to your trips. And what the upgrades of this updated version are about, the volume of toolbox increased by 2 liters up to 4.6 liters, which is 1.2 gallons. The skid plate is water resistant now. We have ridden many miles in wet conditions and also in the mud, and everything what was stored inside remained totally dry. Yes, and that's it. Let me wrap up all the main features of this skid plate. Light but very durable body, water resistant, safer locking but easier to open, generous space of toolbox increased to unique and unbeatable volume of 4.6 liters, engine, levers and brake cylinder protection. Please order on our website radegarage.com. Cheers and have a great trip.